Access to proper sources of energy is one of the most important requirements for development of a country's economy. India currently is one of the top 4 consumers of energy in the world. At the same time, India imports more than 80% of its crude requirement from outside of India. Reliance on import results in greater exposure to geopolitical risk, to exchange fluctuations, and also security of supply. The Hydrocarbon Vision Document 2025 of the Government of India talked about ensuring proper sources of energy for Indian economy. So, is shale gas a proper answer for this? Or should we look at decontrolling the prices of crude? Or is it that acquisition of oil acreage outside of India could be a possible solution? We will discuss all these and many more at Enrich 2013. Hydrocarbon Vision 2025 talked about cleaner sources of energy for the Indian economy. Currently, we rely on coal as a source of power for more than 50% of our requirement. Going forward, this reliance is likely to increase. So, are we moving in the right direction? Are we going where we wanted to go? Or is gas a better option? But whether we have enough supply of gas is a question. So, or maybe is solar an alternative answer? We will have all these points discussed at Enrich 2013. Uninterrupted supply of crude oil and energy security is one of the most important concerns of the Government of India today. We have seen from countries like Brazil and Norway that policies have made all the difference. From nowhere, they have come into the space of energy security in the last 10 years. Probably that is something which we also as a nation need to do. So, is NELP the answer to this? Or probably we need to look at open acreage licensing policies? Or is shale gas a possible answer? We will discuss all these points at Enrich. So, look forward to seeing you at Enrich 2013.